Alright, out here at KACHUMA Lake. Gonna try to go get some trout. Try to go get a redemption, like Noel said. We're gonna go out here, throw some lures. I got some cheese this time, and I got some hooked up baits, and I got some garlic crawler scent stuff. So I'm gonna go out here and see what we get. Hopefully we get something. Hopefully we don't get skunked, because I don't want to make another skunk video. You guys don't like it too much, you don't watch it. But anyway, we're out here. We'll probably shoot over to a cove somewhere. But here we go. KACHUMA Lake. Come on, trout. Don't do that. Stop shaking your head. Okay? Just be cool, man. Just be cool, okay? Don't get the hook in me like no. Woo! Got him. Not bad, not too bad. No skunk today. All right. Now I gotta get my lure untangled from this thing. Which wasn't too bad. Got it freed up. That one actually hit on this. This is the Lucky Craft. This is the Lucky Craft lure. It actually hit on this. Not bad. And I got a little bit of a hook. Somewhere I'm bleeding. Or is that fish blood? No, there's a little hole in my knuckle right there. Figures. Well, get this one back in the water, I guess. Where's my other lure? Floating over there somewhere. Fresh one.
Go Pancho.
I just got one, man. I don't know, maybe three pounder or so. Decent size.
Heck yeah.
So I've been getting some questions asking how much water gets in there. If you stand up, does it get water in it? And you guys can see a little bit of water. I'm standing up in the kayak, so just a little bit of water gets in there. It's not too bad. Not enough to bother me, at least. And you guys can see it. All right, here, Lake KACHUMA, beautiful Lake KACHUMA. Got Kenny right there. Tall Jeff, first time fishing with Tall Jeff over here. Beautiful, nice day, not too windy. Nice. There's Kenny on the fish. Oh yeah, that looks like a good one. Kenny, he just got a nice trout over there. He was using an earthworm. Right now I'm using this right here. This little shad hookup bait, 132 weight. Just got hooked up. Can you hook me up with a fatty right here? Woo! Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. No, 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 no. Come into my net. Got him. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy! That's number 3. Number 2, because Kenny hooked me up with one already. So that's number 2 for me. And I got hooked. I got a hook in my pinky. Oh my gosh! It stabbed me, but it didn't go in. Man, those hooks hurt. All right, here we go. First, I'm gonna take the hook out of the fish. Oh, I know, you're pissed off, aren't you? I would be too if I got hooked. Okay.
Poncho, was that on the jig?
No, that was on the Lucky Craft, the little 4-foot diver. Ba-bam. That's 2 fish on that. Bloody fingers, bloody finger, bloody thumb. Ah! Not too bad. Not too bad. My pinky hurts a lot. My pinky hurts. I got stabbed by the lure. No, I didn't get hooked inside, but yeah, just to remind me, hey, don't put your hands in there, you know?
Those are all good.
And just a reminder, don't put your hands by my hooks, because they sharp.
Oh, I just missed a hit. Oh, he's back. Come on. He's on.
Get up! Get up!
It's at the bottom. Oh, that's a weed. Probably where your line got caught.
I gotta get out of here. I'm gonna get trapped in this sticks over here. Paying attention, trying to get my fish off the hook.
Oh, get out of here. Oh, the wind's letting up. It's gorgeous. Yeah, it's beautiful out.
We'll make another pass on that. On the hookup bait. Oh boy.
Big one?
I don't know. Nah, it doesn't feel too big. Either that or he's just not fighting yet. Oh, it's a crappie. It's a crappie. On the hookup bait. No way. Look at that, guys. Woohoo! Just jigging away, just sitting here, just working the jig, working this jig. 10 seconds, let it sit out of free spool. Lock your free spool up after 10 seconds and just slow wind. Just got another crappie. On the hookup bait. Just fishing the way this hookup bait. That's all. I stopped trolling, so I started throwing this little hookup bait and started getting them. Fat crappie right there. On our way back in right now. Wind started picking up a little bit. It's 2:11. I need to give me some sunglasses. This is bright out here. 2:11. I'm still trolling. I'm trolling on the way in. Not too bad of a day out here today. Not too bad. Can't complain. Let me show you guys my stringer. Three nice rainbows, 2 fat crappies. Not a bad day. Definitely fun. Put a hurt on them today. We put a hurt on them.